In this video, I'll show you how to upload a customer list to Meta Ads. First, sign into your Meta Ads account and open Ads Manager. Click All Tools, then open Audiences. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to search for audiences. Next, click Create Audience and select Custom Audience. Choose Customer List as the source for your new audience. After that, upload your customer list by selecting your CSV or TXT file. Make sure your file includes supported customer information, such as email addresses, phone numbers, or other identifiers that Meta can use to match your customers. Now review the uploaded fields and map them if Meta asks you to. Give your audience a descriptive name, then click Create Audience. Meta will begin processing your customer list, and it may take a little while before the audience is ready to use. Finally, create a new campaign or edit an existing one. Go to the Audience section of your ad set and select your new custom audience to target those customers. You can also use it later to create a lookalike audience. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to upload a customer list to Meta Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.